what's up? Hope you're doing well today. I hope you're having a good day. It is good to see you again. I'm stoked because I'm headed out on a trip tomorrow and I will be on a flight for 13 hours. It'll be international flight, so I'll be flying out of the country. I think I've told you a few videos back, so if you wanna go check those out and try to see where I'm headed. And yeah, I was packing and throwing everything in my carry-on bag, like what I'm bringing with me on the flight. And since you've been enjoying my what's in my bag videos, I thought I would share with you what I'm bringing with me on this flight and what I bring with me typically on long flights. Although all these videos lately with all the planes, I'm just kidding, I'm not even gonna joke about that. Question, do you enjoy flying? All right, so I'm bringing this with me. This is the ALD Ame Leandore tote. Yes, it's big, which is why it's perfect on flights like this or when I'm out on shoots. This is great because it's sturdy and a lot fits in here. It's all organized, but first things first, I have my toiletry bag, which has all of my, skincare stuff, my toothbrush, sunscreen, all of that stuff is right in here. I also have a travel fragrance, just everything in this bag, all compact. But if you want to see what's in my toiletry bag, like all that I have in here, because I have this all down to a science, like what I need, even little things that you might not think you need. I have it all down pat. So yeah, let me know if you want to see what I have in here. I have a beanie. Typically on planes, it gets cold. And also I usually wear hats or beanies on flights because I just like being comfortable and I don't have time to do my hair, and it's just, I'd rather have a beanie. This is from a brand called Sundays. I'm not getting paid. This is just a gift and I love this. Then I have some snacks, of course, because it's a long flight and I need some fucking snacks. These are chocolate covered peanuts, no sugar added. I have chomps, which is, beef stick protein. Although I have to eat this rather quickly because I feel like this tends to smell kind of like fart. So you have to be careful what you eat. You know what I mean? Knowing me though, I might buy something else in the airport, like, I don't know, some like gummies or something like that, something sweet. And then of course, I can't be without this. I sleep with this actually most nights, especially when I travel, but this is great on flights. You can get this on Amazon. I'll link everything in the info box below. Oh, and then I have my camera, which is on the tripod. So that is for the camera coming in here. And then sunglasses. These are actually also yellow, but these are my sunglasses because get off the flight, it's sunny out, or sometimes on a flight, windows are open, it's bright as fuck. You'll see a pattern I kind of like, for some reason when I'm flying, I like feeling like privacy, like having sunglasses. When I'm sleeping, I'll throw like a hoodie over my face. I just like feeling enclosed because then I'll just have my mouth open and drool most likely. And then I have my vitamins, which contains my melatonin, which I take especially on this plane because it's going to be a long one and I'm going to be jet lagged. And then this book that I'm currently reading, it's The Artist's Way. It's actually more of a workbook. I'm just starting this. I've heard so many good things about this. Again, it's like a workbook. So you have to dedicate an hour per chapter, if I'm not mistaken. They do say to set time aside. So I want to work while I'm on the plane and do the assignments that they require. It's for creatives out there. Apparently it's life-changing. So I'm excited to dive into this. And of course, a notebook for that book. Although I would bring notebooks anyway, because usually I get really inspired or I have so many ideas, especially because there's like nothing else to do. Well, besides like sleep, watch movies, watch TV shows. Oh, and this is the brand Moleskine. My iPad, of course. I can work on here and download some movies on Netflix, some TV shows, which by the way, now that you're here, do you have any recommendations for some TV shows that I can binge? Because now is the time where I could possibly, if I'm not reading, I'll binge a TV show because I'm a terrible sleeper on flights. Are you a good sleeper when it comes to flights? I don't know why, but I am not that great. I envy people, even with melatonin, I'm bringing it with me, but even with that, like I'm not that person that can sleep for 8 consecutive hours on a flight, or I'll nap in little bursts. I don't know, I'm just a light sleeper, so I don't even try really. But anyway, going back to what I was saying, what should I download? What movies? What TV shows? And then I'm bringing a scarf because I need it where I'm headed to. And also I like this for the flight. If it wasn't for this, I'd bring an extra hoodie. Plus I like to cover my camera with it and just protect it. All right, that's it for the main compartment. Now for the little pockets that are, I don't know if you can see that, but there's pockets like all around it. My passport, it's just right in this little passport holder. My wallet, and in this other pocket, I have an extra, what's it called? Battery port. What the fuck are these called? Power bank for my cell phone. No explanation needed in case my phone dies. I have this as a backup. And then in this other pocket, I have my iPad and phone charger. I have some gum, because always. Listerine, you know, oral care mist. I have a drive for my iPad so I can upload my photos. It's for my SD card, as well as my AirPods. And I also bring with me earplugs. I'm just an old man, you know? I'm sure you've noticed from this video that I'm a light sleeper. But yeah, that's it. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I'm gonna look at my list and see if I forgot something. If you wanna see all of my travel posts and my stories, go follow me if you'd like to on my Instagram. It's at JairWoo. Yeah, thanks so much, and I'll see you same time next week. Adios.